Why don't more people build something like this in their own backyard? The crew started by preparing the foundation. First, they dug out the footing trench, set up wooden forms, and packed a layer of gravel at the bottom. Next, they installed thick insulation boards to help control moisture and temperature. After that, they positioned heavy-duty steel anchor bases and locked them in place with bolts. Once the forms were braced and secured, a custom-built rebar cage was carefully lowered into the trench. Everything had to line up perfectly before the concrete pour could begin. Then the concrete trucks arrived. Wet concrete flowed into the forms, while workers used a vibrating tool to remove trapped air bubbles and compact the mix. That step is critical because weak spots inside the concrete can eventually lead to cracks. Before the concrete fully cured, threaded steel anchor plates were pushed into place to create a strong connection point for the structure above. Next came the steel columns. Each post was welded directly onto the anchors, sending bright sparks flying everywhere. After the frame was locked in, the crew installed massive wooden beams across the top and reinforced them with steel connector plates. Finally, they added the roof joists and rafters, bolting every section down one piece at a time. And just like that, an empty backyard started turning into a modern backyard cabin.